All right, today I have a video I've been waiting a long time to do. I've had my temporary tag on my car for the past 3 months, and I finally got my new license plate in. I temporarily put the paper tag in, covered in plastic shipping tape to keep it from getting messed up in the rain. And I have it attached with some screws that I purchased with a license plate frame kit that I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is remove the screws that hold it in place. These are special security screws, and these have an included bit on them that is a security Torx bit. And I have the last one done. Note, underneath here is pretty dirty, so I am going to clean this area up before I put the new plate on here. So let me do that now. I'm just using some soap, auto soap. This is what I'm using. It is a rubber plate protector. I've used this on 2 of my other cars, and it works great because it doesn't scratch the surface of the car, and it holds the license plate intact. It has 4 screw holes here for attachment. Let me get my plate out. Oh, it's shiny and new. So I will place this on the frame. Just have to fold the edges. Got to stretch it a little bit here so it reaches over the far end. All right, there we go. We have the plate with the rubber protector around it. These are available in a lot of colors. I picked black because it's going to be going on a black bumper. But they have these in gray, red, blue, white, whole bunch of different colors. And all you have to do now is place it over the bumper and match up the holes in the plate with the holes on the bumper. Get my screwdriver ready and just insert the screw into the first hole. Place over the cover. Let me get the first one started. Now for the next one. And for the final one. All right, and that is it. There is also covers that go over these screws so that you don't see them, and makes it a little bit more theft resistant. And the last thing I need to do is to add the caps to cover the screws, and you just press them on over the edge, snaps in, And if you ever need to remove these, just use a flathead screwdriver to pop them off and reinstall when they're done. And installation is now complete. It's a very simple addition to the car. I think it looks really nice, and that's about it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I have a link in the video description for the plate frame. If you're so interested, it's available on Amazon. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.